Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Assam Don Bosco University ringkat kecil Pynlong ke Genesis Max Foundation kan Pynlong ke first edition juga North East Pride Football Cup. Ya kan ke tournament on Pynlong kum kedak ke jingrakhe ke jingdap shi sportsnam ke Don Bosco Institution hakari India. Habai kren kinong thok khobor hak arpo tring mentau penai kinong penyai kelai thu ya kan ke jelekai on Pynlong Hashilong Mairang Nongstan Jawai Batura. Kilai thuru bakani ke tournament kan long tangsan gut shi team bat on Pynlong hakilai benta kata hapo khat south snam kerta khat drill snam kerta bat khat khdai snam kerta ya kan ke tournament on Pynlong habaro ki jala jok than stay lam ningi.
We are organizing a five-a-side football tournament which is called the North East Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a five-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as we as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we're trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Lightcore, Assam Rifles Lightcore, and there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Jawai. So these are the 5 districts five zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category.